snapper, king snapper, shark. We love you, Mom. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
We love you.
Trey absolutely loves coming to the beach. He likes being in the ocean. He likes saltwater fishing, deep sea fishing. He says he likes to fish in the ocean because you never know what you're going to catch. We like it because we enjoy watching Trey do what he likes, and we enjoy the beach, and it's kind of our getaway. We bring him to let him fish. We enjoy the beach.
What you got, bud?
A shark?
You have it, or does it have you?
Both.
For his 10th birthday, we decided to book him a charter. He's always wanted to catch a shark.
Easier than halibut or harder?
It's kind of hard to tell. Did he come off?
I don't think so, man.
Nope, he did not come off.
We get out to the bay, we drop down, and just as soon as we drop down, Trey appears to have a very, very large fish.
You got it?
Yeah. All that line is game gone.
This is what you wanted.
That small one.
This is a small one? Yeah, Jim, this is probably the last time I'm going to catch a big shark.
Well, we had a start, man. This was a starter.
It's a starter shark.
We're working you up to
The captain feels like this is a really large shark. We're not real sure what it is. We do know it's a big fish. Trey's got a few struggles going on.
You have to take all your birthday money and pay Mr. Marcus back if you lose it.
Marcus is doing all the work. He's taking you up to the fish.
It is a lot of hard work bringing one of these big fish up from the depths of the ocean. At this rate, Trey's going to be wore out. He reels in 2 feet, the fish takes back 10 feet.
Kidding me?
That's what you wanted. Get that rod up.
Careful what you ask for, buddy. You wanted a big fish, you got one. Or maybe he has you. We sure hope it's a shark.
Well, you wore out, or he gonna wear out?
I don't know. I ain't done yet.
You need help or you good?
I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
All right, bring him on in now.
Trey hasn't been making a whole lot of progress. Captain tightens up the drag a little bit. Hopefully we can make up some ground now.
Come on, Trey. I don't want to be nowhere near it.
Sorry.
Don't let the line hit the boat, okay?
Okay.
Oh, pop it right off.
You all right, bud?
Hey, Trey, I believe the old saying is 1 step forward, 2 steps back. This fish keeps taking more line out. Get him in.
How much do you think it weighs?
I don't know, baby. That's hard to say without him.
If you'll get him up here, we can find out. Happy birthday. Next time for your birthday, it'll be cheaper. We'll just make you run.
The football training.
Trey's about to turn 10. Though he's strong out of the gate, he sure doesn't have a whole lot of stamina left in him. He's working really hard. He's not giving up. But as you notice, neither is the fish.
Why you keep letting all that line go?
I can't help it, Mom.
That's bigger than I thought he was.
Okay.
Let's go, Trey. Get this fish up. We really want to see what he is. I know you do too.
You all right, bud?
Yeah.
You need help?
No.
A little different than what we were going to do with that dolphin viewing, ain't it, buddy?
Yeah.
It's going the wrong way. You okay, buddy?
Yeah, I need help.
Mr. Marcus can help you.
Okay?
This is your starter fish. Come on, buddy, you finish it.
How far do you think we have to go?
I don't know. That's like a big stingray.
Oh, great.
We're gonna see what it is, or whatever it is.
The captain said the way it's fighting, it may be a stingray. We sure hope it's a shark. Either way, little man's working hard and having a blast.
Real.
Oh, God.
Good?
Yeah.
Boy, you sweating. Hey, you sit down and see. That's got to be able to see the lines. I don't mean he's under the boat.
I'm gonna ease back here by Trey, help him keep the line off the boat. If that line hits the boat with that much pressure, it'll pop it.
Lead him. Oh, that's blue. Oh, you see it down there?
Yeah, that's the leader.
Short.
Oh, good Lord.
It's
Oh, good Lord. Where do I run?
Heck yeah, buddy, that is a huge shark. This is awesome, great job.
Mom, whatever you do, don't fall in the water.
I'm not.
This is most definitely a big shark. Not real sure about swimming down here in the bay anymore.
He's right there, Trey. He is right there.
Holy crap!
That's a big shark.
That thing's huge! Holy crap!
Oh my God. It's a hammerhead.
Is it hammerhead?
Yeah.
We just go ahead and cut the line now. I'm just kidding.
Trey, that is a really big hammerhead. What a great 10th birthday present. Great job, buddy.
I'm gonna hold it with me.
Don't touch the line.
Holy snap. He's gonna.
Go down, Jim.
Make sure wherever you're fishing, you know the regulations. We weren't positive about it. We confirmed with the captain. These hammerheads are catch and release only, which is really all we wanted to do. So make sure you know the regulations. We're going to get this guy released. Let him go back down to where he came from or where he wants to go.
Let's try this again.
You got an adrenaline dump going? You need anything, buddy?
No. Hey guys, we're here at Trey Outdoors, and I just caught a good-sized hammerhead in Pensacola Bay.
What a fight. What'd you think about that, Junior?
It was insane.
Happy 10th birthday.
All right, while the captain's cleaning the rest of our fish that we caught throughout the day, he's going to give you a little bit of shark knowledge. Did you know that hammerheads can actually live up to 30 years old? They can swim 25 miles an hour. Their favorite foods are stingrays. Baby hammerheads are called pups. Females can have up to 50 babies or 50 pups in each litter. When they do have them, hammerheads don't take care of their young. Once they have their pups, they leave them be. The pups gather up into schools of up to 500. They hang out together during the day and then separate at night. There's 9 different species of hammerheads. So now that you have a little bit of hammerhead knowledge, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, like our channel, and watch for the next video coming out.